let's make some vegan entomatadas. Our first step is going to be making the filling. I made a very large amount of this filling, so I'm going to just leave it with the portions that are for a normal size in the description. We're going to start by dicing up some zucchini, add 1.5 cups of corn, in addition to some butternut squash that has been peeled and completely diced into a medium to large baking tray. I used approximately 3 cups. And then I smothered it with very basic seasonings like garlic powder. In addition to black pepper, you can add salt if that's your thing. But I kind of kept it super simple because the star of entomatadas really is the sauce. Combine everything with your hands or with a spoon until really evenly mixed. Spread everything out really evenly on your baking tray because you want it all to roast in the oven correctly. Bake it in the oven for 35 to 40 minutes, flipping halfway at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Next up, we'll work on our sauce. We're going to still use the oven, so it's really nice and easy. Add a baking mat or some parchment paper and add half a chopped onion, 6 large Roma tomatoes. You don't have to really do anything to these because we're going to blitz them in the blender, in addition to 2 to 3 garlic cloves that have been peeled. Put that in the oven in addition with your filling and let it roast for about 20 to 30 minutes. At 7 minutes, you want to take away the garlic cloves because those will be completely burnt if you leave them in the whole time. Add all of your veggies to a blender in addition to a tablespoon of veggie bouillon and 1 to 2 chiles de árbol and 3 tablespoons of sugar and a teaspoon of ground cumin. Combine everything first in your blender without adding any liquid, but you can choose to add a little bit of water. I like to gauge the spices at this level, so I kind of just first liquefy everything, and then I'm going to add a 28-ounce can of tomato sauce and combine once more. This will give it a really vibrant red color. Next up, we're going to heat up a tablespoon of olive oil in a large to medium skillet, and you want the oil to get really hot so then you pour in your sauce and it's sizzling. This will help cook the sauce and create a beautiful deeper red color, and it's really, really lovely. To assemble your entomatadas, all you're going to want to do is you can fry your tortillas in oil or just kind of pan fry them a little bit on a nonstick pan. Dip them into the sauce, making sure that you get the sauce on both sides. If you don't use oil, you definitely want to be a little bit more gentler with the tortilla because it might disassemble, and add just a little bit of filling, about 2 to 3 tablespoons worth of filling into each entomatada. Smother it with sauce, serve with refried beans. I made mine homemade, but you can definitely get store-bought if it's easier for you, and tuck in. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, be sure to subscribe to the channel when I release recipes every single Friday and daily shorts. See you next time and have a beautiful and lovely day. See y'all.